I was trying to add some elements under this image, like text block, and the text block is just written simple text. So after saving it, we have here sample text as a text block, and up here we have a single image which I just added. But the problem was when I updated the page. So after clicking update, it will supposed to save this part, like empty, then single image, then sample text. So after updating it, I went to the page and reloaded it, but as you can see, it's written here empty, but it should be like there is a sample text and image down here. So we are missing sample text and image. So this is basically a bug for the King Composer website builder which I am facing. So I solved this problem. It was particularly due to a cache plugin which I'm going to show it now. So whatever you try to add under as a block or as a element under the KC builder, King Composer builder, it will not work. So to make it work, I need to disable the cache plugin I have. See, there's nothing under here. So after I disable the cache plugin, the cache plugin is the object. The cache plugin is the object pro something plugin, which is creating the issue. So that plugin is mainly doing the caching part of the website. The plugin is also good, but the thing is, when I am trying to update or change the builder or add element or edit, the builder was not working. So I found out the issue for the object cache plugin. So what I can do is I can deactivate the plugin and make the changes in the builder. So after deactivating the plugin, the changes I'm going to make will be here, working fine. So the cache plugin was preventing King Composer builder to not work and make the changes or add anything or edit something to the pages. It was not like this before. The King Composer plugin is abandoned by the plugin author. So I think if they manage the plugin well, the plugin shouldn't have this problem. Like, they abandoned the plugin and didn't update, so the plugin was not working. See, they updated the plugin in 3 years ago. So not updated plugin or not updating the plugin for a long time creates issue with other plugins and everything. So Object Plus Cache Pro plugin is installed now. So we need to reload the page. And we can see that the sample text I added and the single image is there now. So it is mainly the Cache Object Pro plugin was conflicting with the King Composer builder. And so if I now update the page, so the front part will show the sample text image. So there will be 2 blocks under the empty text block. If it shows, then we are assured that the King Composer plugin is working fine now. So let me reload this page. Okay, it is now reloading. If anyone from King Composer plugin is seeing this video, I would request you to update this plugin so it doesn't conflict with another plugin. It was good before, now it is not working, and this is frustrating. So on this page, after reload, you can see that under empty block there is a sample text. So the test is successful, and King Composer plugin is working fine with adding this text and editing this page.